Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can free up storage on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to get some storage back, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings you want to scroll down until you find device care and then go there. Now let's tap on storage, and then over here we can scroll down to see some options like trash, unused apps, duplicate files and large files. So for instance, if we tap on the trash, over here we will see what is located in the trash, which is everything that we remove stays in the trash for 30 days. And we can, for instance, remove everything. We can tap on these three dots. We can go into the category and then tap on these three dots and then press empty. And we can permanently delete the files that we have in this category. Then if we go back, yeah, it's gone. In addition to that, we can also see apps that we don't use, and we can, if we decide that we don't use the specific app, then we can simply select the app and then we can uninstall it by pressing the button at the bottom of your screen. We can also check if we have some duplicates, and if the device finds that you have files with the same name, size and file type, then they will be shown here and then you can delete them. And last but not least, we can also check the large files. So if we have something that occupies lots of space, then you can decide if you want to, for instance, remove it. Over here I have just one file, it is an image or a photo. I can select it and then I can delete it, or I can move the file somewhere else, for instance to my SD card or memory card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!